Howdy, it's Casey with the Snake River Seed Co-op, and I'm standing outside the door here to the little seed shack. I thought we'd take a sneak peek inside, seeing as how it's November, and see what goes on at Snake River Seed Co-op in November. So we found in here a couple of ladies. This is Christina. She's doing some germination testing. So when seeds come in, she's got to set them out on this little paper towel, 50 of them. And then we get them wet and wait for them to sprout and then take a count of how many they sprout. So there's a bunch of new intakes she's just done, a bunch of cool seeds that have just come in. And then after they get sprouted, the germ test, they come over to Riley and she reads them and she writes down the germination percentage on her fancy spreadsheet that she's made that she's super stoked about. It tells all sorts of awesome things, including how much that we bought and how much we need and all that stuff. So, I don't know, this is our little office. I don't really need to show you much else, but thanks for watching. Thanks for buying our seeds, too. This is good work we're doing here. Thanks, people.